Mike Eppel joining us now. Mike, November economic output is contracting with the energy sector kind of leading the charge here.
Yeah, and it wasn't necessarily just energy, unfortunately, Ted. It was also the manufacturing sector for the month, which led to a 0.2% decline in overall economic output, which was below forecast. Economists are quick to point out the previous 2 months, they were okay, and the economy is still on pace for a 2% economic growth rate for the year. Doesn't matter to currency traders. They look at that negative rate of return or performance in November, they hammer the Canadian dollar, which is down to 78.25 cents US this morning, 6-year low. The exchange rate, $1.23 plus, or $1.28, excuse me. And you have to add 2 or 3 cents at the banks to change your currency, so that much more expensive to buy anything out of the United States. It comes as the Canadian dollar for January is down 10%. We haven't seen a drop in our currency of that magnitude since the financial crisis, and really we don't see currencies move this much over the course of a year. So again, the speed and veracity on the dollar's decline has been exponential. Part of the reason, of course, is the price for oil, what it's done, and it's at $44 and change per barrel this morning. Oil is on pace for a 14% drop for January. It's been down 7 months in a row, and that is the longest stretch of monthly declines on record. So that has been a key contributor to the dollar's drop. You have bond yields this morning down to record lows. That's signaling potential deflationary risks in the economy. Add to the mix, again, the U.S. economy showing some improvement. And that is continuing the talk. The U.S. Federal Reserve is out of step with the other central banks. So it's all adding to this economic uncertainty. Couple of quick notes here. Canadian oil sands stock opening the day lower. They cut their dividend substantially late last night, again reacting to the falling price for oil. And we have Costco sending out a $2.2 billion special dividend to shareholders. Apple starts the day close to a record high, and Amazon.com had a terrific holiday sales season. They made money. That stock's up 12% in early trade this morning. Have a good weekend, despite the currency valuations.
You too, my friend. Good stuff. Thank you, Mike. That's our business editor, Mike Eppel. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.